trans woman na si Kailyn Trajano makikilahok sa Miss Universe Philippines Pampanga 2025. Ang paghahanap para sa susunod na Miss Universe Philippines ay isinasagawa habang ang mga regional na prangkisa sa buong bansa ay magsimula sa kanilang mga kompetisyon. Kabilang sa mga kandidatong nakakuha ng atensyon sa online ay si Kailyn Trajano na gumanap sa kasaysayan bilang kauna-unahang trans woman na sumabak sa prangkisa ng Miss Universe Philippines. Isa si Kailyn sa 16 na kandidatang lumalaban para sa titulong Miss Universe Philippines Pampanga 2025 na kumakatawan sa Sinura Porac. Ito ang pangalawang pageant ni Kailyn para sa taon, kasunod ng kanyang top 8 finish sa Century Tuna Superbods 2024 competition noong July 2024. After my Century Tuna Superbods stint, it didn't result as how I wanted, but I guess it's more of a redirection. I guess it's the redirection that I'm looking for. I feel like the advocacy is more aligned with the platform, with the pageant, so it's gonna be much more bigger stage to advocate for what I'm really fighting for, what I really wanted to do, to be the voice of change, to share the wisdom of audacity to all the viewers and the aspirants, saad ni Kailyn. I wanted to compete in Miss Universe Philippines already. First, after I joined Century Tuna Superbods in 2020. It was during the time. It was the pandemic. I just finished Century Tuna Superbods. Dagdag pa nito. Ang 29 anyos na marketing practitioner ay una nang nagpalanong lumaban sa Miss Universe Philippines 2021, ang taon na naiuwi ni Bea Luigi Gomez ang corona. Gayunpaman, pinili niyang ipagpaliban ang kanyang mga plano. It wasn't the time yet. Maybe also I needed financial stability kasi part of competing is financial stability, preparation, mental health, overall health, support from your friends and family. It's a totality, say ni Kailyn. So I think now it's more. I'm more prepared because of course, maturity na rin, experience, the wisdom, and maybe the confidence na rin. And of course, public speaking. I'm more confident in talking eloquently than before. I'm just doing what I love doing, which is showing up myself, being myself. I think, again, I'm promoting authenticity. I just want to show myself for who I am, and I'm enjoying every moment. I'm basking in every moment. I'm enjoying the company of my new sisters. I'm enjoying the position that I have, that I'm able to hear finally, because that's the point of joining, is to really be a voice. To be heard, to advocate for the LGBT community, to advocate for the trans community, and to be able to implement change, not just by words but through actions, dagdag pa ni Kailyn.